going to be talking about annoying spam comments in WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to give you the step-by-step procedure on how you can delete all spam comments from your WordPress dashboard with just the click of a button. This is my WordPress dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do is to get this plugin. Let me go to wordpress.org. Okay, so this plugin is free. Comment cleaner, bulk delete and disable comments. So you can see it's a magical plugin, and the good thing about this plugin is that it's free. You can see the screenshot here, how you can install and everything. But let's head on to my WordPress dashboard where I will teach you how you can have this whole stuff sorted out. First thing, you go to install plugin, go to install plugin, then click add new. Okay, so you search for comment cleaner. Please make sure this logo is what is showing here. Comment cleaner. Let's search for that. Okay, scroll down. You can see it's the same logo here that we have here. That's we are good to go. So you click install now and activate. Trust me, we are a few clicks away from having this whole stuff done. Okay, allow and continue. Now it's activating. Okay, it's warning you that this action is irreversible. Once you delete comment, that's it, you can't reverse it. And please note, this plugin has the ability to delete comments in different folders. Like we have comments, the total comments, if that's what you want to delete. We have comment in moderation, approved comment, spam comment, and comment in trash. So whichever you want to delete, you are free. So if you want to delete all comments, what you do is this: you come here and click all comments. Okay, if you want to click comment under moderation, you click here. Approved comment, you click here. Let me scroll down so that you see spam comment. I don't have any spam comments. That's why I can't tick here, because there's no spam comment. So if, okay, let me delete. No, I can't make it a spam comment. I can only make it a trash comment. So what I'll do is this: let me go to comment. Let me open comment in another tab. So I'll delete one of my comments and refresh this page. You will see that I'll be able to tick trash comment. Okay, this is the comment, so I'll delete this comment now. Bulk action. Okay, let me mark it as spam first. Mark as spam. Apply. Okay, so you will see this spam comment now is going to show one. Let me refresh it so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see the spam comment now. I can tick here. Originally I was not able to tick this place. Same thing happens to trash comment. Okay, let me go back again and let me trash it from spam. Let me trash it. I've selected the comment, not permanently. I don't want to delete it permanently. Let me mark it as not spam. All comments. Let me see. Let me trash it. Yeah. Then let me come back to this page again. Let me refresh. You will see the plugin will notify you that there's one comment in spam. So that's just it. Is very easy. Anyone you just want to, please be very careful not to delete all your comments if you don't want to, unless you're having spam comments that are much. At times you just open your WordPress and see that you've been spammed and you're having so much comment, and if you want to delete it batch by batch, or you want to start deleting them one after the other, it's going to take you days or months. So that's when you can easily use all comments. It works very well. Okay, so for this one I want to delete all comments, so I'll click all. My total number of comments I'm having on this website is 2. So let me scroll down and delete comments. Confirm deletion. This action cannot be undone. Please, you have to pay attention to this. If you don't delete all the comments, don't proceed. But as for me, I want to delete all the comments. I'll hit the OK. Successfully deleted 2 comments. Okay, you can see there's no comment again. Let's go to the comment page and see. Let me open in a new tab. You can see there's no comment here. No comment in trash, spam, approve, pending, mine, or okay. So this is how you can easily delete all your comments. It can be spam comments or comments you are not comfortable with. You just delete everything at once. Okay, so this plugin is very useful. Plugin name again is Comment Cleaner. This is the logo, and it's a very nice plugin. Okay, so if you find this video useful, please kindly like our video, follow our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll be dropping similar tutorials, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button for subsequent videos, and please share this video with your friends. Thanks for your time.